Police car. It can talk to the other police car and driving cars, and then some safety tag. Police car. They have lights and flashes. The seat helpful. Police car. It can help many people that is on trouble. Police cars catch bad guys when who is fighting. Oops. Police car have computer that work it. And also walkie-talkies to talk the other police cars. Police have emergency so it can help people when it's dangerous. Police car. Police car can wash the car or fix their car. Body parts of police car. Computer, walkie-talkie, emergency, flashlight. It can be many things for police car. Oh, then press this. Okay.
Ủa, con đọc được luôn hả?
Now,
Con đọc hết luôn hả? Đâu
now
được
one
coi con đọc
police
gì
car.
như thiệt vậy?
Got 3 police car. Con đọc với Vũ quen rồi.
Con đọc với Vũ quen rồi hả?
Cái nào? Đó. That one is good.
Con đọc đúng không?
Đúng
Hay là
rồi.
con có bịa vô thêm không?
Okay, cho nó nè. Police car. It can drive fast and forever. Police car. It can be a girl or a boy who missed it. Police car also have the other flashlight. It can be red, blue, or orange, or yellow. Many police car is different lights. Police car, they have different lights, and then they badge with their dog. Police car have walkie-talkie to talk with other police car. Police car also have some numbers, so it can be what time is it. Police car can catch bad guys who's crossing the other cars. Police car have tickets, so it can ride on, so it can give the bad guys. Police car, it can be black, blue, and white. It can be many kinds of police car. Finish? Yeah, done bấm.
Good job con.
Bấm đi. Okay. Mấy cái này chứ con thú thôi hả?
Con đọc Gingerbread Man cho em nghe đi.
No. Okay, mình đọc Gingerbread Man một cách thôi nha. Just one. Ta làm Gingerbread Man. Con không